A Woodland Story is a new collection from our friends at Hunkydory, and as you can see, it's going to have an idea sheet. We'll back up so we can take a look at everything else. Now this says it makes at least 16 cards, but you know, I bet you're going to be able to make far more than that. Now let me open this up and show you. So there's the instruction sheet and some more ideas on the back. And let me just show you each of these sheets. Now these are the foiled die-cut toppers, as is true of every Hunkydory collection. This is kind of our base where we begin. Now there are 110 gold foiled toppers, and you can see they're just really charming. That's the Woodland Story. Then to go with this, we have a printed cardstock that goes, in fact, and then we have a foiled one. So you can see those little characters are going to show up in several places. Here we have more. It's kind of a Beatrix Potter without that special artwork. It's kind of different artwork, but just beautiful. There are borders, as you can see. You just snip off the end. You've got greetings as well. So these are the foxes. And again, the printed cardstock, and then the matching foiled cardstock. So we've got the bunny family, and it's time to celebrate on your special day. And again, the printed, just charming, and the foiled, just really nice. Now, we also have more in the Woodland Story, as you can see. And again, the printed and the foiled. Now, as I said, you get two of every single thing I've just shown you. Now, to coordinate with this absolutely charming set, we have an 8x8 paper pad. Now, this has 48 sheets. You're going to get 12 designs. You're going to get 4 of each one. So let me just briefly show you what these look like. And again, it's going to be the artwork that you just saw, but done in a paper collection. And they are double-sided, as you can see. So we have Mrs. Fox, and we have the guy, and the back is an all-over print, which is really helpful. And there we have more. These came off the pad, so they are somewhat gummed, very pretty. Mrs. Squirrel, and the goose, and the foxes, and the bunnies. Go, and another, and the cat. I remember seeing a cat, but maybe there was, and the mouse. Okay, all of those, again, you're going to get 4 of each one in the Woodland Story. And as the supporting pieces are these. So we do have printed parchment, which I love. These are A4 size. You're going to get 2 sheets of 8 different designs, and let me show them to you. And that ghosted trees is really pretty. And as you can see, now that was the non-printed side. Here is the printed side, so it's a bit more vibrant, but you can use either one. Here is that all-over pattern, very fun. Here are letters, and here is one of those background patterns that was on the back, just really nice. Again, ghosted and non-ghosted. The roses with a pink background, and a smaller version in pink, but let me just put that on a white background for you, just so that you can see that maybe the black isn't the best background for parchment. So let me just flip these back so you don't miss a thing. Okay, and there was that first one. Okay, now we're up to date. And here are the roses in yellow. And then this is an all-over kind of sprigs and florals, looks kind of like dried flowers. And then an all-over print in that French blue color. So that's our printed parchment. Then we also have the adorable Scorable. As usual, there are 30 sheets in here. There are 3 each of 10 colors. And as I bring the colors in, you can see that they go all the way from the pastels to the woodland, browns and greens, just as they should. So again, you're going to get 3 of each. These are also the A4 size. And then lastly, we have the inserts. The inserts there are 36 of them. There are 3 sheets, each of 12 designs. And these are the more ghosted back images. So you can see, again, they are the same artwork that we've seen. Very useful for not only the inside of cards, but also for the front of cards. You can use them for many different things. These are all single-sided. And then there's some all-over patterns, as you can see, our little mouse friend and our goose. And there's our Miss Rabbit. Okay, that is the Woodland collection, the Woodland story, with the inserts, with the adorable Scorable solid, with the Parchment, the 8 by 8 paperback, not 8.5 by 11, Paulette, 8 by 8, and of course the luxury topper collection. All of this, all coordinating. We absolutely love bringing the Woodland story to you.